Anthony, there's a zombie in the house somewhere. What are you doing, Anthony?
I'm hunting zombies.
Make sure you hit him in the head with the pillow. That's the only way to stop a zombie.
Okay.
Be careful, there's a zombie in there somewhere. Don't let him bite you. Don't let him bite you. Get him with the pillow. Oh, it's too scary for me. What kind of lame-brained, panty-waist zombie hunter are you, Anthony? Let's give him a good whack with that pillow. Oh, Anthony, you stink. Don't let him bite you, Anthony. Oh, that's the end of that zombie. Ah, sayonara, sucker. Hey, Anthony, say the end.